Hello, this is a tutorial for you to figure out how to set up your online word problems. So far you would have shared back with me the document that I shared with you so that you may be able to set up your word problems online. The document that you shared back with me has your last name and then WP as the title of it. Now for each document there are multiple tabs down below. Right now we have two tabs, the master form and the rubric, so you know how you're going to be graded in the word problems. Master form is the key piece. You do not want to write on the master form. It's the one that you need to click on and make a duplicate of every time we have a new word problem. When you click a duplicate, it says copy of master form. Rename that copy by clicking on the arrow right next to it. Go to rename the number of the current word problem. Right now we are on number 24. Once you've completed number 24, you'll go back for the next word problem, make a duplicate of the master form. Again, it'll come up as a copy. Rename that copy the number that we're on, number 26 for example. Now you can see there will be multiple tabs down below of this one document. When the time comes, I can go through and click on whatever number word problem that you've completed and look at it so it can be graded. We do not need number 26 right now, so I'm going to delete it. We're working on word problem 24. To start off with word problem 24, you need to copy and paste the scenario of the word problem, which is the long paragraph text at the top of every page, in this gray box. I have already typed up that long scenario onto my blog. So if you access my blog, dmathworld.blogspot.com, you will see here word problem 24. Highlight the text, copy, and then paste it into the gray box. Now you don't have to go back and forth between my blog and your word problem to figure out what the question is. You have it right in front of you. Now the strategy that's always given on every word problem is also given in my blog down below here in bold. In this case it is use or make a table. Now back to the spreadsheet. Okay, in the yellow here it says the question is, and then right below is a yellow space. That's where you're going to put your answer to what question are you trying to answer. It is not just the whole scenario that you have already copied in the gray box. It is what is the essential piece that you believe this word problem is asking you. The strategy goes in the yellow box below it, your answer in this box here, and then finally the mathematical observation in this last yellow box. Now the last piece to remember is that this is not you texting somebody on the phone. This is your final work that you're handing in, so please remember not to use shorthand text and also to come up with complete capitalized sentences. Now the last piece for your word problem online is where you're going to put your work. When applicable, use this space down below that blue line. Use or make a table in this case would be a great way to use these cells down below. Other scenarios like drawing a picture may not be as easy, in which case I'll discuss it in class to let you know to hand in a page separate from your word problem. If you have any questions about any of these processes, make sure you come and see me so we can get it worked out. The sooner the better, and the quicker the better. Thank you, and goodbye.